Isolated component table. Each record of the isolated component table associates the component specified in the component application column with the component specified in the component shared column. The isolated components action installs a copy of component shared into a private location for use by component application. This isolates the component application from other copies of component shared that may be installed to a shared location on the computer. See isolated components. To link one component shared to multiple component application, include a separate record for each pair in the isolated components table. The installer copies the files of component shared into the directory of each component application that is installed. The isolated component table has the following columns. Columns: component shared foreign key into the component table. The component that contains the shared file, usually a DLL. The DLL should be the key file for this component. This must be a different component than listed in the component application column. The shared component controls the registration for all the isolated copies of the component and must have the MSIDBCOMPONENTATTRIBUTESSHAREDDLLREFCOUNT flag set in the attributes column of the component table. This ensures that the installer can manage the life of the shared component. Component application foreign key into the component table. The component that contains the X which loads the shared file. The X should be the key file for this component. This must be a different component than listed in the component shared column. Validation: ISO06, ISO62, ISO97.